Vanakkam, myself Professor Prakash RS, working in the Department of Automobile Engineering, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. Today we are going to discuss about basics of car body. History of car body. The oldest structural vehicle design is the body on the frame concept. The frame is typically consists of two parallel connected rails like ladder frame, which is the suspension and powertrain are attached to the rest of body or shell sits on the frame. The body on the frame concept was used until the early 1960s by nearly all cars in the world. The original frames were made of wood, commonly ash, but still ladder frames become common in the 1930s onwards. Importance of the vehicle body. Vehicle body contributes about 40 to 60% of total weight in the case of cars and about 65 to 70% of in the case of buses. Payload is determined by the body weight. Reduction in body weight not only improves a capacity but also fuel consumption. Aerodynamic characteristics determine the fuel consumption of high speed and stability in crosswind. Positive pressure on the front and negative pressure on the rear of the car should be minimized. Safety of driver, passenger and pedestrian should be considered. In direct test body contributes about 50 to 70% of total cost. In indirect cost expected, life influence the price. Types of car bodies classified here. 1. 4-door salon model. Number 2. Limousine. Number 3. Convertible. Number 4. Estate type car. Number 5. Sports coupe. 4-door salon model. This is the most common passenger car. The passenger comforts such as well designed seats, easy of entry and exit, good ventilation and good seating. By the better styling are the features of this model. The drag coefficient also very less amount, about 0.35 to 0.5. The features of 2-door saloon and pillarless saloon are the same as that of 4-door saloon. However, is pillarless saloon, there will not be a center pillar. So this is a sample picture of our 4-door saloon. In 1960s onwards, still we are in the market for 4-door saloon model. Next, number 2, a limousine. A limousine, it is a sample picture shown here. Limousine, it is a luxury car. It provides with components and equipments of high quality and with better finish. It is usually provided with a partition between driver and the passenger. Cushioned seats, air conditioning, cooling glasses, etc. The most luxury features available in this particular model. Interior and exterior pictures shown you. Next, sports coupe. It is basically a small car with 2 seats, better aerodynamic shape and better acceleration are the features of this model. Styling is not important. At the same time, lightness and rigidity are also the features of this model. In this model, considered coefficient of discharge 0.2 to 0.3. Coupe is similar to sports coupe, but with 2 extra seats at the back and hence can be used as small family car. So this is a sample picture for a sports model cars. Next, estate type vehicle or car. The luggage compartment is the continuation of passenger compartment without partition between them. Thus, the usage of more luggage space can occupy, and longer wheelbase or the speciality of the model. The other names of this model are universal or station wagon or brake van. So this is a sample picture for estate model cars. Convertible. These models are provided with wind-up windows and folding roof. So these are the 5 different types of car bodies available in the current market. Next, the visibility. Visibility, it is an important point discussing about the car body. Visibility, good all-around visibility is now one of the main requirement of the body design. This here clearly depends on the window opening and their position relative to their occupants. For example, if the occupant is placed close to the windscreen, the forward visibility is considerably improved. On the other hand, the problem of comfortably entry is increased since the dimension between the visibility is decreased. Ease of entry is possible by suitable shaping of the door at the expense of more complicated structure. Next, field of view of the driver. There are 3 types. 1, the direct view. Number 2, indirect view. Number 3, blind spot. Direct view, the views absorbed by the driver directly through eyes are considered as a direct views. It can be represented by sight lines drawn from the eye to all the points which can be seen collectively defining the visible field of view. Number 2, indirect view. The views to the rear of the vehicle mainly obtained through the mirrors. This view provides information on passing vehicle close to the rear when the driver proposing to change the lane. Number 3, blind spot. A blind spot in a vehicle is an area around the vehicle that cannot be directly absorbed by the driver while at the controls under existing circumstances. Blind spots exist in a wide range of the vehicle, cars, trucks, motorboats and aircraft. Other types of transport have no blind spot at all, such as bicycle, motorcycle and horses. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.